Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best 10-gallon aquarium is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies you can get into, offering a captivating glimpse into the underwater world right in your home. Setting up a 10-gallon aquarium is a fantastic way to start, providing a manageable size for beginners while still offering enough space to create a thriving aquatic ecosystem. In this video, we'll dive deep into the best 10-gallon aquarium kits available, helping you choose the perfect one to kickstart your aquatic adventure. Number 5. Glofish 10-gallon aquarium kit. This kit includes everything you need to start your own aquarium. It's a complete package designed to make setup easy and enjoyable. Get ready to bring the beauty of an aquarium into your home. Inside, you'll find a 10-gallon glass aquarium, an LED lighting system, a Tetra whisper internal filter, water conditioner, fish food, and a setup guide. This ensures you have everything necessary for a thriving aquatic environment. It's all there to get you started. The kit features a special blend of white and blue LED lights. These lights make your Glofish fluorescent fish and other tropical fish look incredibly vibrant. The lighting enhances the natural beauty of your fish. The Tetra Whisper internal filter keeps the water clean and clear. It draws water through a filter cartridge, removing impurities. This helps maintain a healthy environment for your fish. Enhance the look with Glofish gravel, plants, and decor, available separately. These additions will add pops of color and personality to your aquarium. Customize it to your liking. The Glofish 10-gallon aquarium measures 20 inches long by 10 inches wide by 12 inches high. It's the perfect size for a variety of spaces. It's compact yet spacious enough for your fish to thrive. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to get started, making setup a breeze. Its unique LED lighting enhances the colors of your fish. If you're a beginner or want a hassle-free experience, this is the perfect choice. It provides a complete solution for a vibrant and healthy aquarium. What people say. It has the nice LED lighting, room for a small fish to move around, comes with a filter system, and wasn't really heavy. The bow front makes the tank look bigger than it is. It arrived on time without any damage. It is one solid piece of acrylic. No leaks possible. The only way it would get damaged is in shipping or if you drop the whole thing on the floor. It survives just fine in my house with 4 kids. Setup couldn't be any easier. Super simple. It is so quiet. The aquarium is in a bedroom, the very quiet white noise doesn't bother anyone. Number 4. AAwipes 8-in-1 Aquarium Test Kit, K02-50. This is the AAwipes Aquarium Test Kit, developed by experts for fish enthusiasts. It offers 8-in-1 testing capabilities, ensuring the safety and well-being of your fish. This kit helps you identify potential water problems. The kit measures free chlorine, nitrate, nitrite, hardness, carbonate, total alkalinity, pH and ammonia nitrogen. By using this, you can maintain optimal water quality. It's designed to give you peace of mind. This kit is suitable for both freshwater and saltwater environments. You can use it in various aquariums, fish tanks, ponds, pools, and shrimp tanks. It's easy to monitor water quality with this kit. Get accurate results in minutes with a simple 3-step process. Dip the strip, weight, and compare the colors to the chart for up to 99% accuracy. It's a quick and easy way to test your water. The test strips are packaged in a well-sealed bottle for a longer shelf life. You can test your aquarium water at home, saving you time and money. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your aquarium water is balanced and safe. What we like. This kit offers comprehensive water testing with quick results. It's designed for both freshwater and saltwater tanks, ensuring versatility. If you're serious about maintaining optimal water conditions and want to monitor your tank's health, it's a must-have. With it, you can easily identify and address potential issues. What people say. The filter is very quiet. The LED lighting is a nice feature. The tank is a good size for a beginner. Number 3. AquaMiracle Aquarium Air Pump Kit. This compact air pump delivers a powerful air output while remaining energy efficient. It consumes only 1 watt of power and has a flow rate of 50 GPH. This air pump is suitable for fish tanks ranging from 1 to 20 gallons. It's important to select the correct air pump for your aquarium size. This product is designed with over 20 years of expertise. Make sure you choose the right fish bubbler for your aquariums or applications. This quiet air pump utilizes innovative technology and a unique denoising structure. It's designed to operate silently, ensuring a peaceful environment for your fish. You won't even know it's there. This versatile air bubbler can improve oxygen supply, drive bubbling ornaments, and power sponge filters. It's a multifunctional device to enhance your aquarium's ecosystem. It's a great addition to any fish tank. The package includes replacement filter pads. The pad filters the air entering the pump. Replacing the pad when it gets dirty will maintain optimal flow rate. This ensures the pump continues to work efficiently. This small air pump comes with all the necessary accessories. You'll receive airline tubing, an air stone, a check valve, and an air filter pad. It's everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This air pump is small but powerful, ensuring efficient oxygenation. Its super silent operation won't disturb your peace. If you have a small tank and value a quiet environment, it's ideal. It comes with all the necessary accessories, making it a convenient choice for improving water quality. What people say. The filter is very quiet. The LED lighting is a nice feature. The kit includes everything you need to get started. Number 2. Quiet Aquarium Air Pump, all-in-one kit. Tired of noisy air pumps? This one is designed with advanced rubber pads to minimize noise and vibrations. It ensures a peaceful environment for both you and your fish. This air pump is perfect for aquariums from 10 to 50 gallons. It delivers consistent and efficient airflow, maintaining healthy oxygen levels in your tank, whether freshwater or saltwater. It includes everything you need for a hassle-free setup. The kit comes with air hoses, check valves, air stones, sponge filters, and a Y-shaped connector for customizable airflow. This 5W aquarium air pump combines powerful performance with low energy use. It keeps your fish healthy without driving up your electricity bill, making it an eco-friendly choice. Setting up this small aquarium air pump is quick and simple. Clear instructions are included, and its durable construction ensures reliable, long-lasting performance for any tank. The included air stones and sponge filters work together to enhance water circulation. They promote oxygen flow, keeping your fish tank clean and healthy. We stand by our product and are here to help. If you have any questions or concerns, our team is ready to assist you for a smooth, worry-free experience. What we like. This air pump offers incredibly quiet operation, perfect for any home. It provides reliable airflow for tanks up to 50 gallons. If you want a peaceful environment for both you and your fish, it's the perfect choice. It includes all the accessories you need for a healthy aquarium. What people say. The filter is super quiet. The LED light is nice and bright. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. Number 1. Tetra 10-gallon complete aquarium kit. This is the perfect starter kit for your freshwater fish. It includes everything you need to get started, making it easy to create a healthy and beautiful home for your aquatic friends. The kit comes with a glass aquarium, a low-profile hood, and an LED lighting system. You'll also find an internal filter, a water conditioner sample, and fish food. It's all there to get you started. The energy-efficient LEDs provide a beautiful natural daylight effect. This will enhance the colors of your fish and create a visually appealing environment for them. The internal filtration system features mechanical and chemical filtration. It removes debris, odors, discoloration, and toxins, ensuring a clean and healthy environment for your fish. Setting up this aquarium is simple. The kit includes all the essential items, making it easy to create a thriving habitat for your fish. You'll be enjoying your new aquarium in no time. This 10-gallon aquarium is the perfect size for a variety of freshwater fish. It measures 20 inches wide, 10 inches deep, and 12 inches high, providing ample space for your aquatic pets. What we like. This kit provides a complete setup with everything you need to start your aquarium. The energy-efficient LED lighting creates a beautiful natural daylight effect. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to start a freshwater aquarium, it's the perfect choice. It includes a filtration system to keep your tank clean and healthy. What people say. The filter is very quiet. The LED lighting is a nice feature. The kit includes everything you need to get started. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.